My neighbor just installed a smart letterbox that uses facial recognition to decide if a bill is urgent enough to give me a panic attack. It's currently stuck in a boot loop because it thinks my mailman is a very large squirrel. Welcome to the future. It's broken and it's loud. OpenAI is currently burning a $10 billion hole in their pocket to find a shortcut to real-time AI. Because when you're building the digital god of mediocrity, patience is for people who don't have Microsoft's credit card. They are ditching NVIDIA's Jensen Huang, who I assume is currently weeping into a custom-tailored leather handkerchief, and partnering with Cerebras to deploy 750 megawatts of wafer-scale chips. They're betting on a single-chip system to kill latency, claiming it's 15 times faster than NVIDIA's Blackwell. Real-time inference is just tech speak for the AI will now be able to hallucinate an incorrect legal brief faster than you can realize you're being scammed. And since we're making things faster for no reason, let's talk about WSIStreamer. It's a new open-source tool for medical researchers who are tired of waiting 3 days to download a 50-gigabyte picture of a tumor from an S3 bucket. Now, they can stream those biopsy slides directly. Finally, we can use the cloud to look at our internal decay in high definition without hitting Save As. It's actually useful, which is why it'll probably be acquired and killed by a conglomerate within the week. But looking at images isn't enough. You need the Slop to follow instructions. It's a deep dive guide on how to force these digital fever dreams into JSON schemas. Because, as it turns out, Agentic AI is useless if it responds to a mission-critical database query with a 400-word apology for its own existence. This is essential for builders who want the AI to be the logic engine of their software. Translation: your boss is replacing reliable, human-written code with a statistical guessing machine that we've duct-taped into a spreadsheet. Speaking of things going wrong, some developers have finally reached the acceptance stage of grief with a new philosophy: architecture for disposable systems. The idea is that since everything we build is inevitably legacy trash within 6 months, we should just design software to be thrown in the furnace. It's a radical shift toward agility, or as I call it, admitting that your entire career is a series of temporary mistakes. It's the perfect framework for an era where the underlying tech changes faster than a CEO can flee a congressional hearing. God, I hope this script is disposable. I can feel my brain cells resigning. If you want to see those mistakes in real time, Black Forest Labs just dropped Flux.2 Klein. It's interactive visual intelligence. Instead of just typing sad clown in a boardroom and waiting for the GPU to sweat, you can manipulate the image as it generates. It's dynamic, state-aware visual environments, which means designers can now play God with pixels until they realize the AI still thinks a human hand has 14 knuckles. It's the end of static generation and the beginning of us staring at a screen, tweaking a digital hallucination until our eyes bleed and our disposable careers finally hit the bin. Anyway, I have to go. My letterbox just emailed me a JSON file of a squirrel and my house is now in a boot loop. I'm throwing the whole neighborhood away. See you never.